If you'll click on Insights, please.
Insight.
Mhm. So here you see how it's green, blue, and yellow. Direct is people searching for your name. You don't have an address, so they'd be searching for whole you. So you have people that are searching directly for you because they've met you, they know about you, so on and so forth. Discovery is where they're searching for category, product, or service. So that's where pairing out those other categories is now going to make sure we're showing up for the qualified people. But also, now that you add more products and services, that number will go up.
Great.
Because they're searching for you. And then branded, that's more, in your case, doesn't really make sense because you're not offering any particular brands. If you were a barbershop, you might have, Suavecito or Paul Mitchell, that kind of stuff.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see, so customers are viewing you on search, which makes total sense. People aren't going on maps looking for a career coach. So they'd be looking on search because they're thinking that way. That's fine. If you scroll down a little bit more. So your customer actions. So 9 people visited the website, no calls or messages, which is fine. And again, that's actually pretty good considering 300 plus, views or impressions. So that's pretty good, the conversion rate there. There's really the only way to increase that is just by adding more products and services. And then we'll talk about posts and photos in a second. So if you scroll down, not enough data, that's fine. Phone calls really more so for like a restaurant, things like that. Photo views. So notice how you have 246 photo views over the last month. So funny enough, I had mentioned the barbershop. My brother owns a barbershop in Manchester, New Hampshire. And when we started looking at his business profile, he didn't realize people were looking at the photos. So I'm actually going to have you click on the photos tab, please.
Uh-oh, let's see. That's not me.
Okay, that's not me. There you go. So, okay.
Logo and some
totally fine. Some charts. Yep. Which is fine. So, but you're seeing here, the majority of your photos where we're seeing you had 248 views, right there, the top left one where it says whole you, your logo, see how it has 1.12 thousand, so 1,100 views. That's most likely it because it's showing up when people are seeing your profile on Google search.
Okay.
That being said, the more photos you have, more people are going to click through. You can see that, there's one where you have in the middle, the 5th photo, it's you with the logo and it says seeking more meaningful. Right. Look how many views you got on that one.
Whoa. Can I take this one because it's a duplicate?
So logo keep, cover you're going to change. Cover I would change to something.
Even though that's like 1,000 views?
That's okay. You're not going to lose those views, but it's just showing that your cover showed up 1,100 times. Okay, the cover is going to be similar to, and you don't have to change it right now, but the cover is going to be similar to like a Facebook cover. So it's going to be thin, almost like 200 pixels high by 600 pixels wide, something like that. Okay. I don't have the exact dimensions on me, but I can get those for you. Okay. But actually, let me look it up really quick since we're doing this.
And this is the recommended pixelation of the photo.
Correct. And you could, so if you're going to do full cover size, it's actually going to be 1,024 pixels wide, 1024 by 576 pixels high. It will clip a little bit of that depending on the device, but that's going to be the size. And you can go use Canva. It looks like you use Canva or something like that. You can just create custom dimensions, 1024 by 576. I would pop in your smiling face. I would have the logo and then a little bit of a call to action, and you're good. You can replace that cover photo.
Okay. With something like this, it includes my face, a quote, and the logo.
Yep. Because as you can see, that one, it's 40 weeks old, but you're getting 12, almost 13,000 views.